Welcome. In front of me is an Itel S24 and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and from the boot options select power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time. Now when you see the logo, let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. Now if you hold the power button for a little bit too long, it will just go to being off again and then automatically starts to turn on its own. So when you see it and it disappears while you're still holding the power button, you can still let it go and it will appear again with that logo and then show you this. Now once you have this page visible, hold power button and press volume up once and then let go of the power button. And we are now in the recovery mode. Now in here you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which one you press, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options, we have a reboot system now, which is going to take us back to Android. Then we got reboot to bootloader and enter fastboot mode. Both of those options take you to fastboot mode. Next we have apply updates from SD card, wipe data, on system, view logs, run tests, and power off. And those are all the options. So anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first one, confirm it, and this will bring me back to Android now. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.